In this experiment, we are going to control home appliances like electrical AC bulb and fan. Either it may be a ceiling fan or a table fan. With the help of MyMQTT app, using MyMQTT communication protocol, with the help of ESP8266 node MCU. So for this, we must do this connection, and that is pin number D0. It is connected to the AC bulb via the 5 volts relay module. So you should not connect bulb directly to the D0 pin. You should use 5 volts relay module. And the 5 volts relay module in pin, it is connected to D0 pin, and VCC pin is connected to 3.3 volts, and ground pin is connected to the ground. I have made a common ground on the breadboard, so I am connecting this ground to ground on the breadboard. And the ground of node MCU is also connected to ground on the ground pin on the breadboard. So ground must be common everywhere. Then the output side of the relay module, we should connect this to the AC bulb. The one wire from the AC bulb, you connect to it to the normally open terminal of the relay module, and the same wire you cut into two parts. The one part you connect here, and another part you connect to the 2-pin plug. And how to do the connection, I have shared the link in the description box. So you just go through that video. I have shown how to do this connection. So after this, we should connect the fan. Here I don't have a table fan, so I'm using 12 volts DC fan to represent it as a ceiling fan or a table fan. And it has got two wires, VCC and a ground. VCC is connected to normally open of another 5 volts relay module, and common terminal of 5 volts relay module, it is connected to 12 volts DC adapter. Why we should use a 12 volts DC adapter? Because this is a 12 volts DC fan. We cannot connect directly to the port pin of a node MCU. So I am using a relay module, but it needs a 12 volts supply, but the relay module gives only 3.3 volts. For that purpose, I am using the 12 volts DC adapter. So the 12 volts DC adapter, red wire, that is VCC, is connected to common terminal, and the red wire of fan is connected to normally open terminal. Ground of the fan and the ground wire of the 12 volts DC adapter, both are connected to the common ground on the breadboard. And this is about output side of relay module. The input side of relay module, and the input terminal of a relay, it is connected to pin number D1 on the node MCU, and VCC is connected to VCC 3.3 volts on the node MCU, and ground is connected again to the ground terminal of the breadboard. So this is about the connection diagram. You just go through this connection, you do it as it is, because you are handling 230 volts AC supply here. Be careful. Once you connect this 2-pin plug to the socket, 230 volts socket, you don't touch 5 volts relay module, you will get a shock, or you place it in a fixed place or on a wooden board, so you will not get any shock here. So after doing all this connection, I am making my MQTT app as a publisher and node MCU as a subscriber. So what does this mean? The publishers will send a message to the node MCU to turn on this DC bulb and turn on the AC, DC fan and AC bulb. So to send a command to turn on this AC bulb and DC fan, we call it as publishing a message. So the broker is MQTT broker. So it just like an agent, what it will do, it will take the message from the publisher and send it to the node MCU. just like YouTube. The YouTuber will upload the video, and the whoever and all subscribe to that channel, they can visualize that video. So like that. So Node MCU is a subscriber, and MQTT app is a channel, YouTube channel who will upload the video. It is like that. So there are three words here: publish and subscribe and a topic. The person who or a client who will publish the message is called as publisher, and the client who will subscribe to that channel, it is called as a subscriber. And on a particular topic, he has to publish the message. So the topic name here I have taken as WPT/data. Here you can write home slash living hall, home slash kitchen, home slash bedroom, like that you can give. So, but the subscriber should subscribe to the same topic. If you write like home slash kitchen, the same name as a topic name, you should use it in your code. So wherever I have used WPT/data in my code, you can replace it with your own topic. So this care you should take care. After that, this is a code, and this code you copy it from my file and paste it in your Arduino IDE software. So already I have pasted here. This is my code, and in this code, initially you should install a library, that is pub/sub/client.h. How to install? Go to the sketch and include library and manage library. So include library, and in this you should include pub/sub/client. You just check here, you will get here. One second. Sketch. One second, I'll take sketch, include library, manage library. In this you type pub/sub/client. So you'll get lot of options here. So I have installed it already. Wait for a minute. This pub/sub/client by Nick O'Leary. This I have, you same the same library you install it. I have already installed. See here, it is showing installed. So after installation, come back. Then here you should write your Wi-Fi credential. So you click on the Wi-Fi symbol, and here if you turn on your mobile hotspot, you will get your mobile hotspot name here. So you get connected to that. The same credential you give here. Here my Wi-Fi Wi-Fi name is Shanta CM. I have typed here SSID is Shanta CM, and write your password. And you should write MQTT server IP address. How to get this MQTT server IP address? So go here, type command prompt. So you will get command prompt here. So to get the MQTT server IP address, you should type a command as ping test.mosquito.org. Press enter. So here it will be displayed as 91.121.93.94. This is the IP address of the MQTT server, and it should show us sent packets are 4, received packets are 4, and lost is 0. If it is like this, then definitely our ESP8266 node MCU will get connects to the server. After note down and after copying this address, close this, and you paste here 91.121.93.94. So after this, you should declare two pins. in a circuit diagram, I have shown D0 and D1 pins are used. So here you should write D0 and D1. If you are using other than D0 and D1, whichever pin you are using, you declare here. So this modification you can do. And after that, here you should type a message you will send from the MQTT app. Here I'm typing if message is equal to 0, I'm turning on my bulb, and bulb will be on. Else, if message is equal to off 1, then I'm turning off the bulb. Since my relay is active low relay, so I am sending low to turn on the bulb and high to turn off the bulb. In the similar way, if message is equal to 1, then I'm turning on the fan, and if message is equal to off 2, I'm turning off the fan. Here you can give the reverse also. I'll just modify it. So if it is a message is equal to 0, I'll send high. You can send high to turn on, depends on your condition, and low to turn off. So after doing all these modification, so go to tools. And one more thing I want to show you. So after that, if you are sending a message just off, both will be turned off. So if it is 0, bulb will be on. If it is 1, fan will be on. If it is off 1, bulb will be off. If it is off 2, bulb will be off. And if both are, if message is off, then you can send low to both fan and bulb. So both will be turned off. Okay. So after this, one more modification. Here I am subscribing to WPT/data from the ESP8266 node MCU. So here also you can make changes here, home/kitchen or home/hall, like that. So after that, if you are subscribing to the topic WPT/LED, this is here we node MCU will publish on the topic WPT LED to display the messages in the serial monitor of serial monitor. So for that purpose, I'm using another topic WPT/LED. So only these modifications you do it. After that, go to tools, select the board node MCU 1.0 under ESP8266 model. You select this board and select the port to which your node MCU is connected. Then hit on upload button. So after hitting on the upload button, it starts compiling your code, and it takes a few seconds of time to compile and upload it to the code. While uploading, it will show us how much percentage is uploaded. The code is uploaded to the node MCU. That also you can see it in the monitor here. So we will wait. See, it is showing us in terms of a percentage, 53%, 61%, 76%. Till that time, I'll show you one more thing. Here, I'm using the baud rate of baud rate in serial monitor 115200. So that same baud rate we should open here. So the baud rate I have opened is 115200, and I have kept both new line and carriage written. Yeah, so I have chosen this topic. Sorry, this option. Now, I'll send the command. I'll open my MQTT app and I'll send the command. I'm sending command 0 from my MQTT app. See, as soon as I send, I got the message as message received 0 and the bulb is on. Okay. Now I'll send the command off 1. I'll publish it. So I got off 1. So the bulb is off. Okay. Now when I send the command 1 from my MQTT app, see, so I got the message in serial monitor, fan is on. If I send off 1, so the bulb is off. So again, I'll send 0. I'll publish 0. So the bulb is on. I'll send 1. Fan is on. If I just send OFF off, both will become off. See, both bulb and fan are off. In this way, you can control the home appliances using my MQTT app. This is a project to control home appliances using my MQTT app. In this project, I am using two 5 volts relay because I am controlling two appliances. This you can treat it as a ceiling fan or a table fan. To represent that, I am using 12 volts DC fan, and this is a bulb which is connected either in hall or kitchen or a bedroom. So two appliances I am going to control with the help of the MyMQTT app. So I'll show you how to open MyMQTT app. So before that, you should install MyMQTT app in Play Store. After installation, click on MyMQTT app, and it will show ask you to give the port number. I have already given 1883, so it is connected. The IP address of my MQTT app is 91.121.93.94. So click on publish. So here in code I have given, I have not given home slash hall or home slash bedroom. I have given my college name WPT slash data. This is a topic name, and here I have to type the message. So you hold on this. Now I'll explain the connection. After that, I'll show you how to give the message from my MQTT app. Now I'll give the message. To turn on the AC bulb, I am giving in program I have written 0, and to turn off I have given the command as off 1. Now I'll give 0, type 0 and press publish. See, the AC bulb is turned on. So when I give the command off 1, I have given to turn off the bulb and off 2 to turn off the motor DC fan, off 1 and click on publish. See, AC bulb is turned off. In this way, by giving this command, you can change it in a code. I have given 0 to turn on the bulb and off 1 to turn off the AC bulb. Now I'll show you how to turn on the DC fan. Here, since I have got two appliances, this is 12 volts DC adapter, and this is 2-pin plug to turn on the AC bulb. But I have only one socket here. One at a time I'll show you. When I want to turn on the AC bulb, I'll connect this. When I want to turn on the fan, I'll connect this. If you have a extension box, both at a time you can connect and check the result. Now I'll show you how to turn on the AC bulb using my MQTT app. I'll connect and I'll switch on this. Here I'll tell you how to connect the relay module to your home appliances. This is a DC adapter because this DC fan requires 12 volts supply. For that I am using a DC 12 volts adapter, and it has got two wires, positive and a negative. Negative you connect to ground, and positive I am connecting to normally open connection of a relay module. This is normally open, and the middle one is common. The common is connected to the positive terminal of a DC motor, DC adapter, and the negative of the DC adapter and the negative of the fan both should be connected to ground. The positive of this should go to normally open, and positive of adapter should go to common terminal. This is about connection. And for this relay module, I'm using a AC bulb, and how to do the connection for the relay module using a 2-pin plug, that I have already done one video, and the link of that video I'll share it in a description box. You please go through that. After doing all this connection, you should give the command from MQTT, that I'll show you now. Now I'll remove this. Okay, now I connect the DC adapter here. I'll switch on this. Now I'll send message from MYMQTT app to turn on the DC fan. For that I have given the command as 1. When you publish it, see the DC motor is on. You can hear the sound and see the fan running. Now to turn off this, I have used in code as off to, OFF2, off to, and publish it. See, fan is turned off. So in this way you can control any number of home appliances using MyMQTT app. And how to download this MyMQTT app using Play Store, I have already done a video. That link also I'll share it in a description box. Now the same thing, whatever the command I give from MyMQTT app, that you can see it in serial monitor. See here, you can see when I gave the command as 0, fan was on. When I gave the command as 0, then AC bulb was on. When I gave the command as 1, and the DC fan is on. You can check here. See here, when I gave the command as 1, fan is on. When I gave the command as OFF2, fan is off. And so you can check it in serial monitor also.